reaction to the Supreme Court's ruling on affirmative action.
Naturally, it was anger, although it was highly anticipated.
Eddie Rye Jr. is a community activist in Washington State.
So probably the last 60 years fighting for equality.
And at Seattle University.
No surprise, but disappointment.
Andrew Siegel is a professor of constitutional law.
It is a pretty overwhelming and aggressive decision by the 6 Republican members of the court to really strike at the heart of affirmative action in higher education.
The 6-3 decision means colleges and universities must stop using race as an admission factor. It's policies that have been in place in most states for decades.
It's meant to create diversity in the classroom, but even more, it's meant to balance the playing field.
So it's really a quagmire, and it's really unfortunate because of the fact African descendants of United States enslaved have paid the price to get something from this country. 254 years of slavery, free labor, another 150 years of marginalized labor.
Washington is one of a handful of states in the U.S. that banned affirmative action. Back in 1998, voters in Washington state approved Initiative 200, making a statement that they wanted to end preference based on race or sex. Then Governor Gary Locke issued an executive directive instructing state agencies to not use affirmative action. But in January of 2022, Governor Inslee rescinded that directive in what his office refers to as overly restrictive guidance on affirmative action policies. Now there's the Supreme Court's ruling.
The 3 dissenting justices say we need to soldier on and keep fighting those battles. And the 6 majority justices say, at a certain extent, time's up.
We got to do what we have to do. And we do have the power to do some things. We've done them before, we have to do them again. I'm not giving up hope, I'm gonna gear it up to fight.
Now, happening tomorrow, the Seattle University School of Law will host a webinar with national legal experts to analyze the Supreme Court's ruling on affirmative action. More details about that could be found at king5.com. Live tonight in Seattle, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.